If your phone starts acting like it's on strike the moment you open PUBG, CODM, Free Fire, or EAFC Mobile, freezing, lagging, overheating, relax. Today, I'll show you the exact steps to make your phone run games smoother without buying a new device. Gaming lag is one of the most annoying problems for mobile gamers in Nigeria. You're winning a match, then suddenly your screen freezes, and the next thing? You're dead. But most of the time, lag is not the phone's fault. It's how the phone is being used. Let's fix it. Tip 1. Free up RAM before gaming. Most people skip this. Every game needs free RAM to run smoothly. So before you launch the game, close Instagram, close WhatsApp, close TikTok, clear all background apps. These apps steal RAM even when they're not on the screen. Tip 2. Turn off unnecessary features. Turn off Bluetooth, location, NFC, background sync, hotspot. If possible, these features keep your CPU busy and cause lag. Tip 3. Switch to 4G or 5G only. If you're on 3G or weak network, your game will lag, not because of the phone, but because of packets dropping. On Android, go to Network Settings, Preferred Network, 4G per 5G. On iPhone, Mobile Data Voice and Data, 4G per 5G. Tip 4. Lower your graphics settings. You don't need Ultra HD graphics if your phone struggles. Reduce frame rate to medium or high, graphics quality to medium. You want smooth gameplay, not beauty. Tip 5. Reduce phone temperature before playing. When your phone gets hot, it starts throttling, meaning it reduces performance to cool down. Do this instead. Remove your phone case. Don't place the phone on the bed. Keep it on a table to reduce heat. You'll notice instant improvement. Tip 6. Update your game and system. Old versions of games have bugs. Old OS versions have glitches. Updating fixes lag, graphics bugs, and compatibility issues. Tip 7. If your phone still lags, it may need cleaning, servicing, new thermal paste, or replacement parts. Nigerian heat is not friendly at all. If your phone overheats too fast, the game crashes, or it still lags badly, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. We fix gaming performance issues, overheating, slow phones, and we also sell original phones that can handle PUBG and CODM without stress.